Hey guys, welcome back. We're just gonna dive right on in with my Louise mint green base, and I'm using a concealer brush by Morphe to apply that, and I'm buffing it out with my Real Techniques brush. And then we're going to start using the Stacy Marie Carnival Pro palette, which I am obsessed with, FYI. And I'm just using a small fluffy BH Cosmetics brush that I just grabbed. Like, BH Cosmetics is so reasonably priced, so don't trip. You can find that kind of brush anywhere. It's small, little fluffy brush, so I can get in the corners and kind of control what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna cover my lid with that and blend it out so there aren't any harsh lines. And then we're gonna dive back into the palette and go for that green color, that really pretty green color. And we're just gonna make that the second color that we use in the center, like the main part that's like on my eyeball. And I just brought this a little closer so you can see that I'm just trying to keep there from being like harsh edges, which irritates me. And I just have another fluffy packer brush that I use to apply that green with. And that's another BH Cosmetics brush. God help me, I don't remember the name of that one. So I finally got my nails done. And let me tell you, this is a challenge, y'all. I love short nails, and these are driving me insane. I really need to just go get them cut down. This is so ghetto. I just can't. Like, I don't function well with long nails. It's not me. So I'm taking a clean fluffy brush. Gosh, I can't even talk. Fluffy brush, and just blending more. So again, the harsh edges, so that it kind of just looks like a gradient effect into my brows. Jesus Christ. Going back into the Stacy Marie palette and going with that darker, deep green color, and just kind of making a line as if I were doing like my liner with this, so to speak. And then I took the shimmer in there and just put that right in the inner corner of my lid, just to give it some oomph. I hate that it's not really showing up that great on the camera, but yes, it actually is really pretty in person. And a good way to make that pop, guys, is to spray some Fix Plus or some kind of setting spray on it, and it will be popping. So now I am cleaning up that mess that I made. Like, that's the cool thing about makeup. You can make messes. Cleaning it up so that it'll look a little neater. And now we're going in with my favorite, one of my favorite liners, my Essence liner. It's in black, which I absolutely love. And I'm just kind of tight lining my eyelid. I'm not gonna make a wing with this because I'm gonna go in with some black shadow over it and then kind of deepen the outer part of my lid. That girl is focused, honey. She is so focused. And as you can see now, I'm going in with that black shadow, just deepening that up so that I can have some, to make it pop more, basically, in a nutshell. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but yeah, I wanted it to pop more. And I'm taking a clean, fluffy brush so that what we can do again, break down those harsh edges, girl. We can't have that thing be like blue, green, yellow. No. It needs to gradiently go into that, like an ombre effect, like a soft transition. And now I'm cleaning up my mess again with my concealer. And oh, I got so mad right there. F-bomb. But yeah, just cleaning that up with some concealer so that I don't have to get too close to that when I go to apply my foundation. And that is mascara. Nobody cares about mascara, but these lashes are from Viso free. I get them from AliExpress. They are bomb.com. Don't remember the number. I can put it in the description box below. Oh, she feeling herself now, honey. She has arrived. Listen, watch out, watch out. That was the NYX Veil Primer. Actually not one of my favorites, to be honest, but it was the closest thing to me. I really don't feel like it really does anything. Superstay Maybeline foundation, which is a matte foundation, which is matte. So if you have dry skin, not gonna work for you, sis, unless you put on a hydrating primer. But I'm super oily, so that's why I love it. This is the Juvia's Place concealer in the number 15. First is what I love to use to highlight. Love this concealer. And then like underneath that first layer, I go in with the number 13, which is a darker layer, just so that it can blend out into my foundation even easier. And this is also Juvia's Place foundation stick, my other fave, in the color Benign or Benin. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that country, but yeah, this it. And now I'm taking a wet Juno sponge. Let me tell you, these Juno sponges are life, honey. You gotta run down to Target and get you one. They are $6. They are popping. Love them. They're like a velvety color. And now I'm just blending out my cream foundation that I use to contour my cheeks, my forehead, and my little fat nose. And I'm throwing on some Derma Blend powder. That was what was closest to me, but you can absolutely use Juvia's Place's loose powder. I love their loose powder, but for some reason I couldn't find it. This is my P. Louise paint that I'm taking on my waterline to put a pink liner there, just to give me some pop of color. Like, I feel like my eye was super heavy up top and nothing popping at the bottom. I don't know why this makes me so happy and warm and fuzzy inside, but to use these brushes to like to get that off is amazing. So you see my new toy? That was my new toy, the new Fenty. That is so pretty. I hate that it's not gonna show up, but it is pretty. I am taking a fan brush and using the Soph X by Makeup Revolution, which can also be found in Ulta, and using that to highlight my cheeks. But back to the Fenty. Girl, it is so pretty. It's the new one. I haven't quite figured out how I like to use it yet, but that was my first time really using it, so stay tuned. This is a Buxom lip gloss, and it's in the color Clair. It is super pretty. I really like it. And the girl looks shining, yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is the final look. Excuse me, I went to a party. My voice has not been clear ever since, but yes, this is the final look. It's just like a matte eye, and I am living for it. It's really pretty. I like it a lot. Please give this a thumbs up. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm counting on you guys. I know I've been a bum lately. I just didn't have any inspiration. COVID is like, I don't know. I went in the mood. But anywho, yeah, definitely please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And another question, how do you like this new backdrop? My daughter got this for me for Mother's Day. Isn't it cute? But anywho, thank you so much guys, and you have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.